Elsum's a metal manufacturing business. We've been around for a bit over 40 years. So second generation through the company at the moment. Our main focus is manufacturing metal components to major industry. So we've been doing that for a while now, and we've learned a lot on that journey, but it never ends. We've got thousands of components going through the plant in any one day, and everything on demand, supplied to best fit quality for all our customers. So look, I think the technology really fits in our organisation as part of our continual improvement journey. That's really where it fits. Any business that's really takes their continual improvement seriously needs to back it up with good tools. A lot of it for us is very much a cultural type focus. Everyone knows that we need to be better than we were yesterday. Next year we need to offer improvement, and really the ThingWorx tool is a very natural ability for people to grab hold of that and work in. So I think the ThingWorx platform moving forward is really important for us. What it does is it's going to give us a live shop floor ability to drill down on what's actually happening with our activities. Well, it's nice to move towards a gold standard with manufacturing, and I think ThingWorx will help us get at that real-time feedback. But really what we're going for is world-class. We're going for best practice worldwide. There's no reason why every business in Australia can't actually achieve that. So we're planning to roll ThingWorx out across the entire business. Shop floor up is where we're starting, but don't think it stops there. All the way up through middle management, right up to the senior level. We chose ThingWorx because it's simple, it's straightforward, and it doesn't cut any corners in terms of long-term vision. What do I mean by that? I mean by we can get running quickly now, but in the medium to long term I can be asking what might be seemingly impossible questions, and I know that there's future-proofing there. Right now we're focused on operational improvement. I think there's many strings in the bow. So what do I mean by operational improvement? So we're looking at metrics such as OEE, we're looking at our quality performance, we're also looking at operational metrics for throughput. So how many units per hour or what kind of machine activity we get. So that might be measurements of time, measurements of motion, movements of activity. All these sort of things lend themselves well to lean and Six Sigma type approach to improvement. OEE, or operational overall equipment effectiveness, is really important. We aspire to be running our production standards to a world standard. Our quality is world leading, our delivery performance is world leading. OEE really, I think, captures that in one nice simple metric. So actually every operator ground floor up is getting their own screens, their own live data feeds. With ThingWorx, it's very easy for us to customize operator specific data in real time. And that's really going to be a key thing for us moving forward. So shop floor up, and from a manufacturing perspective with our tools and engineering and machines, ThingWorx will give us that critical information to really approach world's best standard. A lot of our focus, opening round, is on OEE. OEE, if you want to look it up, is definitely a focus on best practice standard. No one's coming to help us here in Australia with manufacturing. We really need to step up and look at what's happening on the world stage. ThingWorx allows us to do that very quickly.